Hello everyone. Welcome back to Jungle Tool. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is a software called Insta, which is interacting with and nurturing Instagram accounts on the Instagram platform. And to share a bit more with you, this software will automatically browse through content, view, follow, and like posts on Instagram in order to nurture these accounts. And you can absolutely use these accounts to serve your purposes, such as posting, seeding, commenting, or even messaging other Instagram accounts to spread information about your products or services, or to boost engagement for your own Instagram channel. You can do all of that. And to share a bit more with you, this software has a feature that allows you to manage a large number of accounts. And it also has a feature where you can attach proxies to help reduce the risk of your accounts being locked. And the software is very smart in that it provides you with a feature where you can design scenarios to nurture those accounts just like real users. To help you do what? It helps you minimize the risk of your accounts being locked or banned by the platform or being flagged by the platform. Okay, and in this video, Jungle Tool just wanted to share this brief information with you. And this is the software that if you want to own multiple Instagram accounts, or if you want to use it to boost engagement for your post or your channels, you can contact Jungle Tool via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Jungle Tool will enthusiastically advise you and support you in using the software in the most effective way possible. Goodbye and see you in the next videos on the Jungle Tool Marketing Automation, AI, and Technology YouTube channel.